Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Filmora 14 free AI music generator feature. I will just tap on it. So basically this is a total game changer. So you will just download it from your iOS device or Play Store easily. So I want to just add on new project. So I will just put some like this video of city tour. So this is the basically original one. I will just show you that.
Tallest skyscrapers at 300.
So basically I will just tap on it like a AI audio. You will just tap on it and you will just have to like set your theme. I will just set it for like a vlog, and like from here peaceful, and just tap on it generate. So here you will just have to purchase the plan, and after purchasing you will be able to generate this AI music feature easily. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.